So let me show you the business model. The business model is you can buy an REO home, bank-owned home, and rehab them. You can buy the property and rehab it. What do you rehab? What do you focus on? Make sure the roof is decent, the foundation is okay, the plumbing, and the electric. Those are the main parts. So what do? Inspect the property before you buy it, figure out what your cost is going to be, figure out what other kind of cosmetics you're going to do, paint and all this, then make the offer to the bank with built-in profit. You sell these properties after you're done with them, contract for deed to qualified end buyers. Now, you could be holding properties right now. You could have your own home and you're thinking how you can apply this. So whatever property you have, including mobile homes, you can sell them easy terms, which is contract for deed to the qualified end buyers. And we talked about that in a previous session. You will carry the mortgage note. Now let's talk about numbers. I carry the contract for deeds at 8% interest for 30 years. That's the note. Now, people are going to tell me, Sharif, why don't you charge them 12%? These people don't usually have good credit. You explained that previously. What if you charge 10%? Isn't that good? Look, I don't want to be like a predatory lender. I want people to be able to look at this and say, this person or this company offered me something decent. I can rebuild my credit. I can build equity. I can own a home. 8% is reasonable, and I will make the payments. And once they get in, and I got the actual payments, which is principal, interest, tax, and insurance, the borrowers, the end buyers, may not have the best credit, but they are able to come in and they're excited about it. And if they are, and if I make it doable for them, they're going to stick to it, and they're going to make the payments. And that's the end goal. A valuable note is a note that's seasoned. What's seasoned mean? Season means a note that has been receiving income for 6 months plus. The more seasoning you have, the more valuable the note becomes. If I have a note that I tell you, this person has been paying me on time for 2 years, isn't that valuable? You want to buy that note. You want to buy it from me at a discount. And if you buy it at a discount, the return on your investment will be higher than 8%. Because I'm charging 8 because I already have a built-in profit on the property. Case in point. Bought the property for $30,000 from the bank. Total rehab was $7,000. My total cost $37,000. I turn around and sell it at $60,000, which is the market comparable sale, and I carry the note at $60,000 at 8%. That's 8% on $60,000, but my cost is $37,000. So I'm getting a huge return on my money, and I don't mind selling it at a discount to someone else at $42,000. Because I have a built-in profit from the $37,000 to the $42,000, which is $5,000 profit. A beautiful profit. I did the whole thing in less than 6 months.